The Prime Minister says that failure to support Somalia could increase the risk of terror attacks and mass migration. He's co-hosting a meeting of almost 50 governments to discuss the future of the country. And to talk about that, we're joined now by Abdirashid Duale, who is the CEO of Africa's largest money transferring business. Thank you very much for joining us here, Mr. Duale. Perhaps you could describe to us the state of Somalia's economy at the moment, given the past 2 decades of conflict.
The Somali economy is improving because the security is also improving in certain parts of Somalia, and the diaspora role, which is, they send nearly $2 billion American dollar every year back to Somalia, are going back to rebuild the country. So the Somali future lies with this economy as the securities improve.
It's largely viewed as a failed state. Give us an idea of what's actually going on inside the country and the signs of prosperity there.
Well, the Somali people are very dynamic. Yes, it's true the state as the government failed, but Somalia as a nation has not failed, and they are building their own business. They are setting up their own institutions from ground up, and they are going back to the country. People like me who have been living in the UK for the last 20 years, are investing back our country back in Somalia, as well as investing here in the UK. So, the things are getting better. Of course, there's a lot of challenges ahead, and as the security improves, then I hope the things will get better. Despite
this improvement, is there still reluctancy to do business with Somalia at the moment?
The challenge remains still, but there's a lot of international community who are investing back. A country like Turkey already have set up in businesses in Mogadishu and other parts of Somalia, and of course international community are looking at them. That's the conference that you mentioned earlier. The main purpose is that international communities, one way or another, to help Somalia, whether it's through business. There's an investment conference that will be also held tomorrow, where Dahabshiil will be also taking part, and all this idea is to mention that Somalia has resources, whether it's oil, whether it's other natural resources, where it can, as the security improve, which will be good investment for the international community, as well as Somalia in the diaspora and other business communities.
You mentioned Turkey. There was a similar conference held there a short time ago, and now David Cameron is hosting this conference with some 50 governments involved. What would you like to see come out of this conference?
Well, for the business, I can talk about business. Of course, I want the international community to help Somalia, to help.
And how can they do that?
They can help 2 ways. One is about the security, and I believe so far they have been focusing more on security. I believe the other thing that they might help is about the economy of the country. As long as the Somalis have hope and future, and the investment, and they can create job, and whether it's through infrastructure investments, whether it's through road, ports, big investments project. As long as that kind of hope is there, and the international community, whether it's international banks, whether a World Bank or African Development Bank or others, they can take part of reconstruction of the country, then I think the Somalia will have a better future. Because we have seen, as a Dahabshiil Bank and Dahabshiil Money Transfer, we operate the entire Somali territory, and for us, we see that when Somalis they have a hope in the country, they will come back, and there will be better job for the Somali youth.
Well, that conference on Somalia is taking place this week, hosted by the Prime Minister David Cameron. Abdirashid Duale, thank you very much for joining us here on Sky News. Thank you.
Thank you very much.